So the film that I want to review today is called Unknown, The Bone of Caves, and The Cave of Bones. And it's about this team of archaeologists and paleoanthropologists led by Lee Berger, who find this system of caves in South Africa. They call it the Rising Star system of caves. And inside this set of caves, they made a discovery of bones that did not belong to humans. They belonged to a species that were similar to humans that existed on this planet 200 to 250,000 years ago, and they were called the Homo naledi. Now, the most interesting thing that they discovered was the fact that while they found a lot of bones, they also noticed that there was a particular structure in terms of how these bones existed inside that cave system, and they saw one site that looked like a burial site, and the body was actually in that fetal position and it was holding on to like an artifact. So they correlated that finding with the insight that maybe at that time this could have been part of a burial ritual or like sort of a funeral. And then they made a further correlation that if that was a funeral, did the concept of um, culture and religion exist back in that time and day. So this film really makes you think about how human discovery is so important to help us understand our past. um, and I think it gives you a real good glimpse into the life of an archaeologist and how they go about discovering things um, on sites, around the world. And it also makes you really curious about, how humans have evolved, what species existed on this planet before humans came around, what were the physical advantages that helped them succeed in those environments. Because this species, the Homo naledi, had like a similar body structure, but it had, certain different things like thinner legs, broader shoulders, and the way they survived was through long walks and hunts. So it's really a fascinating film with lots of interviews and archival footage and beautiful illustrations to show us the entire cave system. So it's streaming on Netflix and it's a movie that I really, really enjoyed.